doing, YouTube? Your boy Forex Sparkle checking in. We're gonna take a break away from the charts. You know what I mean? We're gonna talk about real life activities. You know, we, you know, meaning Wifey and I are throwing a 30th birthday party tonight. So took it upon ourselves to, you know, go ahead and make some jungle juice. So pretty much this is how you can spend $100 plus or minus and make some jungle juice. First, we're gonna start with the type of juices that we have. We got some Dole 100% pineapple juice, probably like $3 or something. I don't know if you guys have a Walmart near you, but we have some Maid Tropicana. Each one of these is $1.50. So, you know, all four of these together is $6, right? So we got Tropicana punch. We got a fruit punch one. We have a strawberry lemonade, and then we also have a berry punch, right? Then I'm gonna throw in some Simply lemonade that I have in. This is some strawberry lemonade. Then we're gonna move on to the liquors, right? So we got this. Just trying, like I said, trying to keep it under $100. All of these liquors are pretty much vodkas, and then one of these is like a white rum. So we got some New Amsterdam. This is gonna be pineapple flavor right here, right? We have some Malibu passion fruit Caribbean rum liqueur. We got some 99 bananas right here, right? And then to, you know, get everyone fucked up, we got some Everclear. This is 190 proof, right? Oh, I forgot to go over the prices, right? Prices probably like $16.99, $17.99, $18.99. And believe it or not, I think this was like the cheapest one, $16.99, right? So, you know, here we are with this. And, you know, anyone can buy one of these. It's like an Igloo 5-gallon drinking thing. Everyone's familiar with these. You usually see these at the, you know, sporting events and stuff like that, right? As you guys can see in the background, you know, just a brief glance. That's kind of where we're going to have, you know, some of the party, right? So we're just turning back over here, right? Now what we're going to do, we are going to shake up our juices. Woo! Not to make a mess. We're gonna shake up our juices. We're gonna open this up. Sorry if you guys can't see. Right, we're gonna open this up. Gonna dump it in there. That's it. On to the next one. What you gonna do? Just gonna dump it in there. Right? What we gonna do next? While we holding this with the left, we're gonna pop it open with the right. And then what we gonna do, say it with me, we gonna pop it up in there. Alright? We down to the strawberry lemonade last. And then what we gonna do, open it up and pop it on in there. Alright. So there's no particular order. I just did this because it was a little bit easier. It was actually the easiest to start with, right? So, you know, we're just gonna move those out of the way. Gonna get us a handy dandy can opener if I can find one. I don't think I can find one right now, so I will throw that in at the end. Let's start with this New Amsterdam liqueur. Jug, 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 jug. All right. Now we're gonna move on to the Malibu. We're gonna open the 99 bananas. Then I'm also gonna open this strawberry lemonade. Shake this bad boy up real quick. Pop this cap off. In goes the Malibu. Then we're gonna toss it with some 99 bananas. The purpose of this is to, you know, once again make it as fruity as possible, so pretty much you feel like you're drinking like a Kool-Aid. The strawberry lemonade. So far, if I had to say, we're literally at 3 gallons. This is 3 gallons right here, right? The Everclear. I'm about to be kind of I'll start with half a bottle. All right, so leave. You know, we still want people to be able to function and drive. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a little spatula or something and stir it up. Mix it, 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 mix it. Mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. And pretty much what we're gonna do now, should have had a cup somewhere. So, because I don't have one, I'm gonna use this little ladle. Now we're gonna try it. And once again, this is how Forex Fargo makes his $100 jungle juice. See you guys on the next episode. Yeah, we gonna be lit.